Hello and welcome to part 2 of the Husqvarna FE350 project. We're outside the garage at Bailey Towers and we are getting ready to take a road trip to 10 Cycles because for part 2 the Husqvarna needs to go in and get checked out. With close to 250 hours of runtime on here, I'm sure there's a lot of small things that need to be attended to. So let's go on a road trip. Hey, we've made it to 10 Cycles across Charlotte. Nice little drive this morning on a beautiful, beautiful spring day. And 10 has a policy that you have to call to make an appointment or call to let them know you're here so that they can limit the number of people in the shop, which I think is a cool idea. So let me just give them a buzz and when I get a hold of Terry, we'll go right in. Quite proud of this little trailer. I've had it for a pretty long time. It was an old jet ski trailer that came back in the speed days, and I had a very, very handy neighbor who helped me put the decking down, and then had a good friend worked at these condor stands. I don't know if you've seen these guys, they're pretty clever. The bike will actually stand on its own inside the stand. So we bolted on a condor stand, rigged up the ramp here. And what's really, really nice about it for me is it makes it a one-person deal where you can put this or a street bike on and off. With a street bike, you've got to run it under power, but with a dirt bike, you can actually push it. And we upgraded it with slightly bigger wheels, so cheap and cheerful, but hey, that's how we do it, right?
What major work have you had done on it? I guess
new piston at 150.
New piston at 150.
So I think the piston range should be fine.
I would think so.
Yeah. Do you think like a valve check?
I would do a valve check.
Well, perfect. All right, so then we'll just leave that with your tech.
Yeah, I'll just run and make a copy of it real quick.
Very excited. The Husky's gonna get all its little important little places taken care of.
So super excited that Neale presented this opportunity to us at 10 Cycles to take a look at his 2016 FE350. It's got close to 250 hours on it. So we're gonna do a little project and take it into the shop, have our technicians go over it and kind of do a laundry list of things the bike needs and things that we would do if it was our bike to maybe take it over the top. So we're excited to have that project in here and work with Neale, and we'll be rolling that out soon.
That's the KTM equivalent of my bike. Hey, see if you can steal the bash plate, Denny.